Hi, everybody. Hopefully you're figuring out a lot of the CSS stuff. I want to talk a little bit about this section because this is always really hard for me, and so I'll show you a trick I use if it doesn't work. And it works for me about half the time, and the other half the time it doesn't. I don't really understand why. So basically, it's trying to get us to link this style sheet here, which is going to tell how we want our page to look, the style we want, to this HTML right now. And you can see right now this HTML this web page isn't styled up at all because we haven't linked it. So it's asking us to type this in. REL, and it's just right there. I'm just going to copy that, equals style sheet, other quotation marks, href equals style.css. You can see that sometimes it's popping up. And when I do that, it worked this time. Okay, so I typed it in, everything worked out perfectly. All right, let me show you two tricks, things I didn't do that maybe will make your life a little easier. So rel equals quotation equals this. You can see style sheet pops up, so I can just click on it and it adds the quotation mark for me. href equals quotation mark style.css. You can have that filled in for you too. Okay. Now, like I said before, about half the time when I type this in, I think I type it in correctly, and maybe I make a mistake, or I don't know, something doesn't work. So this is what I do if it doesn't work. Get frustrated, it's not working. Delete it. And I go back to another page, one of these ones where it did work, where they used it. I think there's one on here maybe. And I'll just copy it right from here. Copy it, and I'll go back to this page, on this one right here. And I paste it, and it can work. So that's a trick. If it's not working for you, you can always copy it from something and do it. The only thing you have to be careful of is whatever you copy it from, this, where it says href right here, whatever this says, has to match what's here. So if I had a style sheet 1 or new style sheet, then I would have to change the name of this. Everything else is going to stay the same. This is the only part that would change. Hope that's helpful. If it's not working for you, you can't get it to work, go ahead and post a question in the chat, and I think somebody will be able to help you out. All right. Good luck.